unbelievable. This is not a rainbow, it's a light bow. Absolutely beautiful. That is not the sunset, but this goes all the way up and over to that. Beautiful Sedona.
Did you know that the disasters of the past 2 months, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, extreme weather, are warnings for us humanity not to commit any more crimes? But humanity is still increasing crime and war. So in the next 6 days the sun will do something that scares the whole world. CERN has found evidence of fourth, fifth dimension. This means that there are many higher universes coexisting around us. God is real. God is watching everyone's actions. If God leaves, this world will be destroyed by evil. Hi. I went to dinner with my girlfriend last night. I observed people having fun. But if you pay close attention, you will notice that the cheerfulness exudes a gentle lewdness. Yes. Little things often lead to disaster. Everyone is comfortable with that. The devil likes people to live in sin, so when you live in sin your body is comfortable, so your mind becomes cloudy. Anyone can understand that comfort leads to the second party, karaoke, all-night coffee. The consequences of that comfort are irresponsible life, weak living, abortion, dependence, greed. The world will be poor, war, sinful. We need to fight against evil. Fall and evil are very elaborate, and it is not easy to conquer the fall if you are indifferent and let your mind cloud. I ask you to wake up and join me against the law of abortion, Roe v. Wade, to save the world from destruction when evil comes. You all know right and wrong. Inspire a strong and responsible life to everyone. Life is not for everyone. A gift only for the one who deserves it. Share it with everyone. Thank you.